Hey, this is Lena and
Luna
from Little Bit of Love. We're going to do an unboxing today from Walmart and the Outlander store.
Open up.
This one's from the Outlander store. Ow! Don't cut your fingers off.
Caught me off guard. No pre-warning. So I was like, panic attack.
Don't break
Be
it.
careful.
Ooh, bubble wrap.
Save the bubble wrap.
Open up.
We are little to no waste family now.
It says the Sassenach. That's my water bottle. I can take it with me now.
Oh, it says?
Yeah.
Where?
It says Sassenach on it.
It's cute.
It's my water bottle.
It would need a straw for me,
H-
but it's cute.
To go health
Spoiled
stealth.
AF.
24-ounce single wall Eastman Triton co-polyester bottle with threaded lid.
And Mommy can open the big one.
Wait, I'm gonna be one of those girls in The Price is Right.
How much do you think it's worth?
I got the Sassenach.
I
Oh,
think it's
brand
worth.
new.
Don't let it fall off and break, Bree. I'm going to take it with me today with my
How
ice
much
water
was
in it. I don't remember. It was expensive.
Yes.
Oh.
The Price is
I think
Right.
it was $17 for that.
And
Oh,
the
well, I
total
guess
price
since it
is?
is,
I don't fucking know.
Name
I'm
brand
trying.
merch should be worth more than 10.
Yeah. Because I bought it from the Outlander store.
Okay, that makes sense.
Ooh, rip it open. It's been a bad girl.
Bree.
It's funny.
Yay! It's my grinder. Since my other one, my grinder, since everything else got lost or whatnot. No, so I can do my spices and stuff is what this is for.
I'm just rising.
Put this over there, just lay it on top of that hole there. There we go. And this should be our boxes for our big shelf that's coming next week.
Bree, you're weird.
Did you hear me?
It's been a very bad box.
Yeah.
Oh,
It should
the
be.
box has secrets.
The box has boxes.
It had babies.
Yeah, it is. We just look 5-quart shoebox plastic storage clear 2-pack. We'll open up one of them. You don't need to open up both. They're the same.
Oh.
Open up this one. And it's my clear boxes. That's the lids. That's to put all of our merchandise in for our.
Take them to my house. Just kidding.
This
You
is
only
for
want the lids?
this is for the merchandise for our Lena's and Luna. Lena and Luna.
Apparently, I'm gonna take all the lids.
This is for Lena and Luna. A little bit of love merchandise for our subscription boxes. So yeah, I bought 2 sets of 20. So there's 2 sets of 20. So we should have enough to put all of our merch in. You know, so like all your pictures that we laminate, that we're going to send out your art cards, and jewelry and all of that once we get the big shelf over here that Ricky has to put together next week. You want to stick this thing back down in there as best you can.
I'm going to make a bunny. I'm going to make a bunny. It's going to be bunny.
So folks, if you like the video, just give us a thumbs up. I'm Lena. This is
Luna.
We're from Little Bit of Love, and it's a subscription box company. So give us a thumbs up if you like the video. Comment if you like the video.
Have a good
Subscribe.
day.
Subscribe. Yes, have a good day.
Be good and be nice.
Thanks, everybody. Bye.